everyone, I'm Ashwini Chennai. Today, as we move ahead in journey of Speaker in Making by Invincibles, I would like to throw some light on inclusive education. Do you all believe education is an important part of individual's life? Yes, it is. Then why is that most of the kids with special needs are not given admission in normal school? Why do you think it is not possible for us to accommodate kids with a special need in normal schools? It is very important because today's society lacks awareness of what inclusive education is. I would like to share my personal story in this regard. I was born with a condition which is called a cerebral palsy, and my parents had to go through a lot of struggles having getting me into a normal stream of education. After multiple rejections and debates over my admission due to lack of infrastructure or lack of information about what this condition was called as, my parents had to just fight to that extent. Even after I was admitted to schools at the age of 14 or so, they were told, why don't you put this kid into a normal, I mean special schools. So this was a condition back then. But today I would like to say I have cleared my CA intern and I'm working as a professional. So what is that is stopping us from not including a kid with special need into schooling system? It is only because normal schools are of opinion that they cannot just include people with special needs. It's not that difficult. All that it needs is a little infrastructure betterment, say washrooms, say sitting facilities or something like that may be required, or you may have to shift your classroom downstairs because for them it is difficult to climb up the stairs or something like that. Why society should be scared to make small little amendments if it can build somebody's life? It should be happy move for educational institutions so that most of the people with special needs stop homeschooling and step out to a world which they feel belong to, and you can walk along in a society which they don't feel left out. They feel one among all. Why? I mean, when I say emotional need, it is not that they need some sympathy, or I would say rather they would not need your empathy too. All they need is just you know you are one among us, come in, come along with us. That is all they need, and they can do it by themselves. They may fall, they may cry, or it's okay, it's absolutely okay for them to shatter down, or because it's difficult. Yes, we all understand the fact it is difficult. So let them explore themselves, let them fall, let them get up, and all that you can do is provide a little bit support and say yes, you can do it. Now when I say all this, what is the role of a teacher in this system of inclusive education? Teacher is the one who can have a wide impact in child's life. So teacher is the one who can stand up and tell, why don't you try? Teacher should not be the one who says, why, I mean, don't do it just because you can't do it. Teacher should be like, you can do it, come on my boy, come on my girl, stand up for your rights. And they should be sensitizing students at regular intervals on how important it is for them to understand the emotion or feelings of the people with special needs. Having said this, what is the role of you as a parent of a special kind kid? It is very important for parents to be very sensitive enough to observe what their child is going through in the school. You don't tell that child is lazy or child is not able to do it, or you don't criticize that child over any of the facts as such. You should understand it is going through a very difficult time, and it is not easy for that child to stand up for what it can do. Maybe it requires a little bit of counseling sessions, it requires little bit of support or any kind it may be. Parents should not think, oh, my child is not like others. Parents should stop comparing, and parents should not be like, my child cannot do with par with other students. It should be like, it's okay for you not to do it. Come on, try once more. You will be able to do it. You should not compare child's progress with any other child because it is special in its own way. How long are we going to teach the children only cloth making, stitching, baking, and help the kid by for its basic living. No, that should not be the case. It should be given an equal opportunity where it can explore its intellectual skills and stand up as a professional with dignity in the society. Why don't we come together for this purpose? Why don't we think of what can be done better? How many of you today we are interested in learning French, we are interested in learning German? How many of us are interested in learning sign language? We feel it is not necessary. Don't you think when you don't learn sign language, you are leaving one group behind where they cannot just communicate with one particular society at all? So it brings in importance of sign language. At least teachers should be given certain briefing of what better can be done when they have special kid as an student in their class. And by this, what is the role of society in inclusive education? When I mean what is the role of society in inclusive education, each one of us can stand up and tell your kids that when he or she come across a special kid, they have to be sensitive enough to, not show them how different are you, or not stare at them and make treat them like untouchable. It is very important for a kid to treat that kid like any other individual. And it is so much nice. I think the love and affection which a special kid can show you, not any normal individual can do, because it is very sensitive, and it always wants that bonding, so you can have a wonderful friendship with the kids of special needs. And just parents don't have to tell, okay, that kid is not fine, so you don't make friendship with that kid. So that is how it is. And with this, I would like to tell, we all have to step forward and think towards inclusive education. Do you all support inclusive education? If yes, kindly comment. Thank you so much. I hope to see a more inclusive society.